Hey everyone, welcome to Berlin Builds. Today I'm going to be talking about money. So I was admitted into the YouTube Partner Program on October 29th of 2021. That's the first day I started making money on YouTube, and I made 34 cents. It was great. From there, October 29th of 2021 to October 29th of 2022, I had 20 different videos that I put out. I had about 380,000 views. And my subscriber count went from 1,000 to about 2,400, so a little over double the subscribers. And in that time, I made $3,085.12 off of YouTube's Google AdSense. Now, to make things easier moving forward, now I'm just going to talk about the year 2022. So in that year, I actually had more views. I had just shy of 400,000 views, about the same subscriber count going up, about 1,400 subscribers, but I actually made less money in the year 2022 than I did in that time frame from October 29th to October 29th. So I made $2,917.51 in the year 2022. Now you're probably curious, why did you make less money when you had more views? I'm honestly curious myself too. Typically, the months of November and December are really good months for a YouTuber, but for whatever reason in 2022, the ad rates were down. And that might have to do something with the economy, I'm not totally sure, but for whatever reason, advertisers are paying YouTube less money during that time than they did a year prior. So I also make money through Amazon affiliates. In the year 2022, you guys ordered over 1,000 items from me, about 1,009, and those items were worth about $15,000, which translates to me making about $517 through Amazon affiliates. So adding my Google AdSense money together with my Amazon affiliate money, it made $3,435.11. Now, if you're curious, you can make money through other ways on YouTube. These are my two main ones, actually my two only ones right now. You can do membership programs, which I'm offering. No one's joined my membership programs because I'm really not offering much in return. You'd just be giving me free money, kind of like a Patreon thing. But anyways, you can do Patreon, you can do brand deals. I've had a few different people reach out to me about sponsorships. I just haven't really cared too much for the products. And then one time there was a product that I actually liked, and it didn't work out between the two of us. Maybe this year I might be doing some sponsorships, different things like that, but we'll see. I hope this is helpful for you. And if you're looking at starting a YouTube channel, I would just say, go ahead and give it a shot. I'm really not that great of a YouTuber. You guys can see that from the quality of my videos. They're pretty low budget, I'll be honest. If that's something that you're interested in, I would just say, hit that record button and just start, because it's one of those things that as a general contractor for me, I don't have sick days. I mean, I get sick, but I don't have an employer who's gonna pay me for sick days. So this amount of money translates to my vacation during the year. And I'm hoping that it'll grow more this next year. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Subscribe for more content like this and things about general contracting, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks, bye.